Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Preferences section, tap on Dark Mode. Now, select On to enable Facebook Dark Mode. Your Facebook app will immediately switch to dark theme. Go back to your homepage, and you'll see all Facebook pages now display in dark mode. This reduces eye strain and saves battery life on OLED screens. If you want to turn off Facebook dark mode, simply return to previous menu and select Off. There's also a system option here. When you choose this, Facebook dark mode will automatically match your device's system settings, turning on when your phone is in dark mode and off when it's in light mode. And that's how you enable dark mode on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and app tutorials. Thanks for watching.